And thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear. It's about 2 a.m. in the morning right now. One of our top clients has just gone down. National Gear provided free freight, pickup and delivery. We are now sandblasting these gearboxes. Get all this petroleum off. Please continue to stay tuned and watch a step-by-step video tutorial of our repairs. Thank you again for watching us here at National Gear Repair. It is now around 4 a.m. Just got through doing a sandblasting of our gearboxes.